Okay, so in this lecture, we're going to be going over Canvas and how to use Canvas in this course. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So when you get into Canvas, you should be able to access my course on the main page. Mind you, if you're using a cell phone, it may not look like this, but you can go to Pages and click, main page. I don't know what, yeah, it should just say main page. And it pops up just like this. Each one of these are buttons that you can click on, and it will bring you to the respective page or place that you need to go. So there's the Unit 1 descriptive statistics, Unit 2 probability, Unit 3 sampling and confidence intervals, Unit 4 hypothesis testing, and then right down here you have book office hours. So if you want to book office hours, you click book office hours, bada bing, bada boom. It brings you to a place where you can book office hours with me. Okay, if you need to submit your group notes, you click right here and it brings you to all the different group notes that you need to submit. If you want to take one of the monthly surveys, you click on monthly survey and you can take first survey, second survey, third survey, fourth survey, so on and so forth. So yeah. And then if you have a Zoom meeting set up with me, you click Zoom, and then this will bring you to my personal meeting room. And then if you just want to go and check out my super cool videos, I have 150 videos, or there's about to be 150 videos on here, which is entirely too many. But you'll see all the different videos that I have. But that being said, I actually have the links to the appropriate videos for each individual unit nested inside of here. Then coming down here, you can click on quizzes, exams, final projects, and additional resources for things that you can access. So let's go ahead and start with course introduction. Start here. So click right here, start here, and you'll see course introduction. And there's a whole video that you should have already watched prior to this, and it'll be right here. Then download the syllabus here. You can click the syllabus. I've already got a whole video that goes over the syllabus. And then coming down through here, I have the book. There's also a second optional textbook. And so you can get the information there. Here's information about Zoom. You can read through all of that. Office hours. I've got office hours on Mondays and Wednesdays from 1 o'clock until 4:30. So if you want to book office hours with me, you can do that in person or online. Like as far as attending this semester, I am going to have absolutely zero problem with you saying, hey, you know what, I want to stay in my room, if you want to stay safe and whatever. I mean, let's be honest, we're just in a crazy world right now. So I try to be as accommodating as possible. And then you can actually go to having a virtual office hours, or you can have office hours with me here in my office as well. Your quizzes, there's information here about your quizzes, information here about your exams. It's the exact same thing as your syllabus, so there's not like new information in here. But then you also have a syllabus quiz, which you have to take this syllabus quiz, bada bing, bada boom. You have to take the syllabus quiz in order to be able to move on to complete the rest of your stuff. So take that syllabus quiz as many times as you need in order to be able to earn the points that you need to say, hey, I know what I'm doing. Next, let's go back home. Every single unit is set up like this. Okay, so you've got Unit 1 descriptive statistics, and you've got Unit 1 topic 1. So it's going to be written as 1-1. So Unit 1 topic 1. And then you'll have like one subtopic 1. So 1-1 and then 1. So if you've got quiz 1-1-1, it is the Unit 1 topic 1 first quiz. But down here, Unit 1 topic 1 second quiz. And so that's how you can read that. But then there's videos that go over the worksheets and the workbooks. There you have your Excel workbook right here, so you can download your Excel workbook. Let's see here. And so every single unit, you're going to have a workbook. You download this and you work through this workbook for the entirety of Unit 1. If it can ever pop up, we'll just download it so that way it'll show up. There we go. And it'll pop up here a lot faster. And so you've got some like vocab that you can go through. There's data and there's videos that go through how to do most of this, so you guys can know what to do. But this brings you through everything in one Excel doc or one Excel file. So that way, just keep on saving it. Like the first thing that you should do is do enable edit and then file, save as. More options, don't save it in downloads. Go to, I don't know, make a special spot for it. Go to, oh, let's make a spot for QBA 20. Let's put it right here and save it. We're going to save it right here so that way we know exactly where it is. You know, so find a good place on your computer to save all your documents. Don't keep saving them under downloads, because you're just going to keep on building on this and building on this and building on this every single week. And having this accessible to you during your exams is extremely advantageous. Did I just say that you could have this accessible during your exams? Yes, you can have accessible during your exams. Big difference is, or big deal is you've got to be able to do it fast enough. So don't just assume that just because you can access it during your exams, that'll be really easy to be able to pull it up. Okay, so Unit 1, Descriptive Statistics. You've got videos, so you can click on the videos and it says, oh, this is the video that goes over the worksheet. And then it says, okay, here, go through all this. Then we've got, oh, this is the reading that you should have, which I actually have to update this because this is the old textbook. So there's some information in here. There's a whole bunch of videos, and then there is a quiz. And so this quiz says, okay, quiz 1-1-1, language of statistics. And then I click on it and I'm like, okay, what is it that I need to do? And then it goes through here and you answer all these, and yes, open book, open note, and then you submit it, and then you're done with that. But then I'm going back through, let's see, home. So then you come down here and there's more information for quiz 1-2. This is a little bit better representation. This is for quiz 1-1. So you do all this and then you take 1-2-1 quiz. You do all of this for the 1-2-1 quiz. And then you do all of this for the 1-2-2 quiz. As far as what you're going to be doing in class versus doing in person, this is somewhat of a flipped classroom-esque. We're going to be going over like actually going through the work in class, but by completing the worksheet before class, by watching some of the videos before class, you're actually going to come a lot more prepared to succeed in class. And so what I would suggest, if you want to succeed in class, the best thing to do is to complete as much of the first worksheet as you can before you come to Monday's class. And then when you get to Wednesday, when you work with your group, you can on Wednesday work together on finishing the first worksheet and also the second worksheet, because there's like 2 worksheets per week. And so then before you come to class on Friday, if you have the majority of the second worksheet completed, you can ask questions and I can help you with that. But it'll help you by going through all of these videos as well, which are a lot shorter than my actual in-class lectures. If you go through these, then you'll be able to come to class and be able to organize the material much better when you're in class and we're actually doing work in class in Excel, so on and so forth. And so then, yeah, you've got unit 1, and then you've got the exams, then you've got some PowerPoints, you've got the quizzes, different printable resources, so on and so forth. So, and it's pretty much the exact same thing for every single unit, so just be aware of that. And other than that, yeah, just keep following along. You have essentially this right here is this is the first week, this is the second week, this is the third week. And then when you go back to unit 2 probability, you've got this is the first week, second week. Actually, this is the intro. First week, second week, third week. And so it's like each unit 2, topic 1, unit 2, topic 2, unit 2, topic 3, they're each individual units. And so you'll be watching some videos on your own, but then we're also going to be working together in class, and you're going to be working with your group mates to be able to really get on top of that. Other than that, if you guys are sick with COVID or whatever, everything really is set up online for you to keep up. So you can still watch the videos. just be in contact with your group mates. If you're missing something, they can really help you out with making sure that you know what's going on. Also with your Groupme stuff, you go to Groupme. I have Groupmes for all 3 of my classes. Let's see here. And I might need to. I have no clue where my phone is. It's unfortunate. Oh, hold on. Found it. So I just gotta. Okay, so I've got your Groupmes right here, and so I'm going to be constantly using these to interact with you guys. So just be aware that I'm going to be posting announcements there, just things to keep you guys engaged and things that you guys need to know about class. If I ever need to cancel class or something like that, I'll post it on Groupme, and I will also post it on Canvas. So the big announcements that are really important will come on Canvas, but these are often a lot of times just little things that'll help you keep up with what it is that we're doing. Other than that, I think that's pretty much all I got. Keep up with what it is that we're doing here in class, and as long as you keep up with it, keep up with the schedule. Normally students finish somewhere between a B to an A. The majority of the students do. If you work really hard, there's really no reason why you shouldn't get less than a B. So just keep up with it, and we'll go from there. I look forward to meeting you guys in class, and let me know if you have any questions.